Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have the GoPro Hero 8 here, black. I'm going to show you how to insert and as well as take out the SD card and also how to format the SD card. Very, very simple, okay? So first thing you got to do is you need to go open up the back plate here on the Hero 8. How you open this back plate up, you simply want to do is you want to look, the GoPro's upside down, and then look on this side here, and you have this little lip here. Simply just press the lip up. And then when you press it up, you see that little red there, so we know it's unlocked. Now what you got to do is just put your finger on top of there like this and just wing that door over just like that, okay? So the first thing that you want to do, first thing you want to do is insert the SD card. I find out inserting the SD card first before taking the actual battery out is just easier. Same thing when I take it out. I like to take the battery out first and then insert or put in or take out the SD card. Anyways, so if we just look inside here, just look under here, and we can see that little slot right there. So what we want to do is basically just put it in, and this is a small 32 gig. I got this one free when I pre-ordered the this GoPro 8. But anyways, you see that slot there. Now what you want to do is simply just put it in that little tiny slot, just like this, okay? And now it's a spring loaded now, okay? It's spring loaded. So what we need to do is just press all the way down, just like that, okay? Now, if you want to take it out, again, it's spring loaded, so you got to push in with your fingernail and then push out. You might have to use like something sharp or something to get in there. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. And now it's in there again, okay? So let me go ahead and insert the battery here, and let's go ahead and format the SD card. And simply how you put the battery in, you can see how that looks in there like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in just like this. All right, so the pins can match there. So just go ahead and slide that in. Go ahead and close this up just like this. And we can see that it's unlocked by the red mark there. Push that down and we're ready to rock and roll. So let's go ahead and format the card. Remember, when you format the SD card, it's going to erase everything on there, okay? So hopefully you don't have anything on there. So anyways, first thing that we want to do is just go to Preferences. So we just want to go ahead and slide down from the top like this, bring it down, and then you see Preferences right there. Tap on that, and now what we want to do is we want to go all the way down until we see Reset, okay? So tap on Reset, and now the first one is up there. It says Format SD card, so simply tap on that, and then don't forget, Format SD card is going to delete all your files and reformat your SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and format that. It's going to erase whatever is on there. Give it a second here. Voila, we are now in business and ready to rock and roll. Any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.